The trend we are watching is that we have cases where men have done that. They have even sold land. Wakati wanakula na huyo kachungwa, wanarudi tena mahali huyo mama anaishi, hata kwa rental wanaanza kuishi pamoja. Tuko na hizo cases sahi. So whatever we are doing is also helping men. So that the time when this man is in love and confused with love, they say love is blind. The man should actually have people that are backstopping to say, no, you can't do this. You can't sell the family land. So that when the love now withers, the man has a fallback to the first family. Because polygamy is in Africa. You can't fight it to the latter. But we want it to happen in a way that recognizes there is a first wife and there is property that has to be secured.
We are, for a very long time, the rights of, the socioeconomic rights of women have been trampled upon. And that's why we've come out actively as advocates to support them. And when you talk about threats, you realize that there is little or no knowledge on the rights of women, especially the married women, their land rights. And you realize there has been a lot of sensitization on when it comes to succession. At least we say that both women and men have equal inheritance rights, but when it comes to the place of married women, it becomes a problem because the law is not so clear or there is little knowledge, and you realize that these women rely on well-wishers or the few voices of reason to as security in such in that marriage setup.
We have experienced a lot of problem, especially in Matungu from Mumias. Here in Kakamega, Isuka Central, we have matters, and then also Butoto South, we have a lot of matters from there. Most cases we are facing in Western Kenya are about widows whose husbands have died, and now the in-laws who are remaining in the home are chasing the widows away. They don't want them to stay. Yes, as much as we come to court on some other matters, we really encourage alternative dispute resolution. We hold chief barazas where we educate them on the importance of succession. We are now telling the people in the societies about the new succession laws where women are now able to also inherit land from their fathers and also from their mother's estate. We are now educating women on how to stand for their rights and defend their rights. On the tool, we have 383 cases which are active right now. As I've mentioned, we really support alternative justice resolution. We don't rush to court. Right now in court, we have 3 active cases. The other cases, we use our paralegals and even us ourselves to go to the ground to talk any other means of solving that for the issues that are related to land.
Most cases that we face, especially in Shinyalu where I work, the perpetrators are men. Why? Because our men are not fully responsible of caring for their families. The burden is left to the women, and most women in Shinyalu are not economically stable. Why? Because when we get married, our men usually fear to let us get exposed and to let us be economically empowered, because they feel that if women become economically empowered, they'll be in charge of their families. And now they will hinder them from doing what they want to do, especially moving from one woman to the other. When a woman is economically empowered, she has the muscle to take care of the family, and she has the most say in that family. That's why most of our women hinder us from becoming economically empowered from an early stage.
We are right now, just a minute. In another attempt now to get the second defendant off the same land that we had tried by filing the separation.
That in September, is it okay for both of you? That in September? Okay. In case of any applications, just bring.
Maana sisi ndio tunafanya hapa ndio.
So, framing your questions, we cannot talk about the matter directly. That is why we are giving you enough evidence.
Najua vile nitashoot.
Sawa. Lakini siweke juu sana.
Juu tunaweka pia.